Relationships between things is one of the most important ideas in software development. For example, like an order belongs to a customer, or a project has many tasks, or a person belongs in two different teams. And real business data is full of these connections. And the useful thing about Glide is that you can bring in multiple data sources and then create relationships or relations across them. If two tables share a value, then Glide can connect them with the relation column. So maybe your projects table has a client ID and your clients table has that same client ID. Or your orders table has a customer email and your customers table has that same email. All you need to do is add a relation column, match those values, and now those rows are linked. Now on the client screen, you can show their orders, and on the project screen, you can see and navigate to the customer. Now, we have tons of content on relations in Glide University in the docs, but there's one quick mention of a best practice here, which is very important, which is that for quick prototypes or messing around or understanding how relations work, matching names or categories is totally fine, but for production apps where things really matter, you need to use unique values that won't change. For example, row IDs or UUIDs, if you've ever heard of them. These are important, unique, stable, very different values that will never change, which means that your relations won't break. And once those relations are in place, they power almost everything. For example, collections that show the right items for each screen, lookups that pull a manager's phone number or a customer's address. They can affect templates and workflows or roll-ups that count tasks per project, many things. They're the foundation that makes an app and your data feel more like software, not just a list of data.